Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to lock apps in iPhone. Let's start. So, say for example, there are certain locks on your iPhone that you want to lock or basically what you don't want to see. There's a feature that, or there's a function that you could actually do that in iPhone. So first things first, just go to your settings app. So click on that or tap and then you hit on or you look for the term screen time. So just hit on screen time. Okay. So from the screen time tab, um, you know, as soon as you enable this one, you then head to the content and privacy restriction. So that's just below always allowed. So when you do that, in my case, it's disabled just for tutorial purposes. So I can just swipe or tap that so you could see how it works. Okay. So from there, um, once it's already lit up, you can see that the option for allowed apps are also enabled. So just click on allowed apps. So once you're there, just toggle or swipe or click on certain apps that you wish to lock or you don't wish to be seen. So say for example, I wish health will not be seen, fitness, iTunes store, airdrop, wallet. So that's how you lock your apps in iPhone. Okay. If you want to enable them again, so just swipe or toggle that and you would be able to have it again on your home screen. Okay? So that's pretty much it. If you want to learn more about iPhone tips and tricks, you could always subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, guys, please hit on like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.